Alright guys, so this is the coconut. I already grate the coconut. So this coconut, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use and get milk from this coconut, and I'm gonna show you guys as well how I do that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna throw some water into this. Alright? And we're gonna stir it up. We're gonna stir it up. You see like that? Okay. So you're gonna get the oil, you're gonna get the milk out of this coconut. And this is what we're gonna use in the pot. So we ain't putting no butter. We ain't adding no butter because the coconut give us oil. Usually I have a rag I use and squeeze it out, but I don't have that rag today, so I have to do something different. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and put this inside this and hope that I can get some juice from it. This is not really the right way, guys, but I'm using what I have, you know what I'm saying? So now we have our coconut milk. Okay, so let me put a cover on top of that. Okay. So this is the coconut milk. What we're going to do now, we're going to make some dumpling. And what we're going to use? We're going to use some of these coconut and put in the dumpling. Okay. So this is the flour. Okay, so this is the flour. So what we're gonna do now, some of these coconut, we're gonna add it to the flour. I mean, you could add as much as you want. You could add different things. Some people add cornmeal, some people add different things. So now, I'm gonna add a little water. Not too much because you wanna able to balance it. Make sure that the water ain't too much. So this is the flour here. So what we do, we mix it wrong and we knead it. You know? Some people use spoon. No. I think when using your hand, you make it real tight. So we call this coconut dumpling. I need a lick of water. Okay, so this is it so far. You got to do it real tight because you need the dumpling tight. So I'm going to add a little more flour because it's a little wetty. Okay, so now we just continue. When you do it like this, you make the dumpling tight and firm. I want to make the dumpling first. Why? Because I got to do a lot of peeling and all that kind of stuff. So I want to make sure my hands got to get in the flour. So that's why I say, let me take care of this first. So now I'm going to show you guys how I roll out the dumpling. I can do them in different shapes. Okay? All right. So now, this is a piece of the dumpling right here. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to okay, and I press it out. Now I have a dumpling right here. I mean, there's different shape you can do them into. You can do them into circle. You can do them into circle like this. Many different ways. So this one now, we're gonna do this one, another shape. Is what you decide. You know, when you're doing soup, a lot of people like to do the soup in this form. So you see, this is another way. So that's 3 different ways I show you how to make dumpling. You see, you got to knead it really, you know, you got to take it and press it in. Take it, roll it over and press it in. Press it in. Press it in because you want it tight. You don't want it to slack. You want it real tight. So you got to press it in. Then you have the coconut. They call this one the cackle tongue. This one is the cackle tongue. So there's 4 different type of different shape I give you. Stay tuned guys, because I also gonna show you how I catch the fire. I mean, I can show you guys how I peel a potato and the yam, but I think you guys know